God, I wish that was a full size. So I wish that was a full size for me to ride in it. Maybe one day. But today's video is a little bit different. I wanted just to kind of catch up with you guys and also tell you guys something that's very, very important that I've seen a lot of comments on Instagram and on YouTube. You know, I've seen a lot of people talk about how, oh, they wish they had the Supra or the Mustang, or you know, the other Supra. That I don't have that I don't make enough money to buy that stuff, like all this stuff. And I wanted to make this video and just kind of focus on the other side. Instead of focusing on the things that you don't have, focus on the things that you do have. You have good health, you probably have somewhere to sleep, somewhere to stay, you obviously have internet if you're watching this video, and you're probably eating something too. So just don't focus on those things that you don't have and focus on the things that you do have and be very grateful for them. Sorry guys, I probably look like crap. I've been really busy. I just got off work. I was gonna start working, well, I was gonna continue working on the exhaust for this car, but I'm gonna put everything on hold to build this for my son. So my son's gonna turn 1, and well, you know, life is about a balance. You can't be all about yourself. You have to take care of your friends and your family, and make sure everyone's happy. So this is me taking care of my son. But anyways, so I'm gonna be building this for my son. It's pretty cool. It's got a lot of options, and I mean, check this out. It's got a touchscreen with the radios, you know, all that stuff. You got your keys here. You got the option to put it from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive. You got first gear, second gear, third gear, park and reverse. Does that sound familiar? Something like this and like that. But, and I mean, of course you got your start and stop and your key here, and it's got functioning lights, tail lights. I mean, it's loaded. I mean, check this out. It's not like plastic tires. These are actual rubber tires, so you know, we're gonna be able to tear those up. And eventually, you know, this is a 12-volt. We're gonna upgrade it to 24 volts, double the power on it. And I don't know, eventually we have to make it faster, right? It's never enough. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this, you guys. I'm gonna jack it up. You make it legit, gotta make it official. There you go. Jack, got a jack, Harbor Freight. Hopefully it's not gonna break. All right guys, I'm just having fun. You gotta have fun in life, man. Don't be too serious about everything. buddy. Let's get into your new truck. Oh man, you got leather seats and everything. Huh? What do you think? Yeah? Yeah, no, maybe? What do you think? Oh, see? He knows already. He's got to shift gears. That's my boy. That's right. Yep. Shift gears there, Papa. You got to turn here. Here's your gas right here. Now obviously guys, he's gonna turn 1 tomorrow, and we're gonna be controlling it for him. So the car does, I mean the ATV, whatever you call this, so it does come with the remote control, so we'll control it, but eventually he's gonna be able to drive it on his own. I don't know if I'm gonna wait that long to make it into 24 volt, but we'll see. It's crazy how I'm probably more excited than he is right now. But here are the keys. So let's start it up for the first time. Oh damn. Alright big guys, so this is park, reverse. So Mama, you're gonna control it. Now he's gonna be too entertained with this, so as Mama's controlling it right now. Easy on the brakes. Look at these guys. They're gonna go crazy. There you go. Mama's learning how to turn. And of course this thing does have 3 speeds, so it's set up to, you know, pick up speed a lot sooner on each gear. Look, you see they got the working lights. Pull up to the Supra. Look at that baller, man. Alright guys, so the reason I decided to do this video is just to show you guys, you know, I'm obviously doing that for my son. You know, if any of y'all have watched the video of how much work, and not work, but how much problems and how hard it was for us to finally have our son, of course I'm gonna give him everything that I possibly can. But as I stated in the video in the beginning, I know a lot of you guys are always looking at it as in, no, I don't have this, or you know, what can I do to have that? Well, think about it like this. Whenever I was growing up, whenever I was a kid, I didn't have that. You know, I have yet to have had a go-kart. I'm 30 years old and I still don't have a go-kart. My parents could never afford one whenever I was little. And guess what? Eventually, here maybe in a few years, I'm gonna get a go-kart. It's gonna be a first time for me, and I'm gonna make it happen for my kid. Just the way I would have wanted it whenever I was a baby. And you know, a lot of other things, you know, I mean, I'm like a first generation going to school, getting a degree and going to getting a career and all that stuff. So I'm gonna teach my kids, you know, what it's like to put in the hard work, how to earn your stuff. But I'm hoping that you guys do the same thing. Yes, you may not have all this stuff now, but I at one point when I was probably your age, I didn't have none of that. And it would have been in my craziest, wildest dreams to have had something like this. So I just want to show you guys that you can do this, and you will. You just got to put in the work, put in the time, and remember, focus on the things that you have and be grateful for them, and then the rest of it will come. Of course, you got to work hard though, and remember, don't make excuses, make time. Later.